Okay, so here we are. So we are going to see how 123 framework is being played. Uh, I have a session account of 120 units. So for this session, considering a maximum drawdown on 30 units, uh, I'll go ahead with a 4 unit play to see how it is working out. But as I said, the we need to go in a cyclic way to be able to achieve maximum benefits out of this particular framework. And at the moment, we will just play one cycle to just to depict how it is done. So now I'll start with one spin, which is this is something I like when it comes. So we do a spin. So we are on red, so I'm going to bid on red now. So we'll do for simplicity's sake, let's go with 5 units. So now we go to step 2. And then we go to step 3. So we lost the first set of even chances. So now we are going to move into the dozen. So the last dozen that came was 31. So we go to 31 with 1 unit, or the third dozen with 1 unit. So here we are, we did hit a hit, but we are checking whether we are hit a new high. We started with 120, so we did not hit a new high, so we go ahead with the same, we stay at the dozen level. It was one spin, two spin, three spin. So now we are done. So now we are done with the dozens. We're now going to move into the street level, double street level. The last double street that came was this one, so we keep there the 1 unit. We got a hit. So as per our framework, as soon as we get a hit on a double street framework, if we are at a new high, we move to the even chances. If we are not at a new high, we move to the dozens. So we are not at a new high because we are at 115, which was less than what we started with, so we get into the dozen level. And currently the dozen that came is 2, so we stay at the first dozen for the next 3 spins. So we get a hit at the dozen level. Now we are at a new high, so we need to now move back into the even chances, and we are seeing a black has come up in the even chance, so we move back to even chance black. It was one spin, two spin, we got a black, and then we basically reset the progression because we got a hit, so we go back to 1 of 1 to 3. One spin, two spin, we got a hit again, so now we reset the progression again. One spin, now I'm going to end the video here, just because I've showed you how to play. And with a 5 unit base size, we have started on 27. 1 2 3 4 uh, 5 6 7. Oh, okay, we could basically check the status. Sorry, I'm not so used to this. So at the end of 17 spins, we are up by 20 units, and that brings us to the end. So as you can see, the power of this framework lies in getting back from, very detailed drawbacks. So if we have seen, we went to like the lowest level when we went to the double street, and then we recovered back. That there is where the power of this framework lies in. And combined with the cyclic progression, it will really, go a long way. So I've been playing with this framework for some time now, and these are my two takes on why one should choose it for every now and often, as their production and recovery strategy all combined into one. Yeah. Keep winning, folks. Bye.